classic pre-Prohibition martini. After Prohibition, a martini basically became what we all know as a martini, a big, huge glass of vodka or gin with very little, if any, vermouth in it, really cold, which is fine, but it's not really a cocktail. It's basically just a glass of booze. So back in the olden days, it was a cocktail that had a lot more vermouth. It was basically like it was gin, maybe 3 parts gin to 1 part vermouth, which sounds like a lot, but trust me, you're going to love it. And it's always stirred, never shaken.
And why?
Because if you shake it, it'll chill a lot more quickly, but then it's going to kind of be foamy and cloudy.
You bruise the gin.
Yeah, they
right?
say you bruise the gin. It's just not going to look as pretty and clear.
It makes it cloudy. If you're cooking with transparent spirits, you keep their transparency, right? Truer.
Anything if you have all clear ingredients.
Rather than shake.
Yeah, if I had fruit juice in this or egg white or cream or something, then you can shake it. But if it's all clear ingredients, you're probably better off stirring it. So the secret ingredient to a classic martini is orange bitters.
Doesn't that freak you out? I had no idea orange bitters were originally in martinis. It makes an enormous difference. Huge.
It does. It adds this whole, like, sort of background of citrus. How do you say citrusy?
Citrusy flavor, right.
Citrusiness.
Yep.
So we're going to stir this. So I keep these coops in the freezer so they're nice and chilly. You can also put a little ice.
I mean, that just looks ridiculous.
You can put a little ice in your glasses before you mix the drink, and then just dump them out after when you're ready to serve. I took a vegetable peeler and just took some skin off of a lemon, and I'm twisting that skin side down over the drink, so you're expressing those oils into the drink. Rub it around the rim.
So you've got lemon and orange with the vermouth, which is vermouth is just wine that's fortified wine with aromatics. So all these weird layers of flavor, right?
Right.
Beautiful.
And like literally a classic martini, you just drop in a lemon twist and serve it. But we like olives. So
Cedagnola olives.
We're going to add some olives to that.
The olives are buttery, and the cocktail is so soft and sweet and citrusy, and then you have the buttery olives. It's beautiful
because the vermouth softens out the harshness of the gin, and the citrus.
Honey, nobody makes a martini like you do. It's beautiful.
Find out right now.
Ridiculous.
Man, that's good, right?
That is ridiculous, sweetheart. Congratulations. It's so balanced and gorgeous. Love it.